Welcome to episode 8 of the Imperfectly Perfect podcast, where we embrace laughs and perfection because it's not about being perfect, it's about being you. And yes, mga kaibigan, if you haven't already, please follow sa aming mga social media account. Ano-ano sila? We have Facebook, Instagram, at Spotify, the Perfectly Perfect Podcast. And also sa TikTok, we have Tip Podcast 25. And sa YouTube natin, friend, Laom dara friend.
Laom 7668.
Yes. Thank you so much, guys. Please follow and subscribe. Thank you kayo sa mga supporters namo dira. Mula Batanes hanggang Hulo. Hello, Philippines and the world. And then, kay episode 8 na siya, guys, no?
So,
kung maka-remember mo, guys, Fred.
Yeah.
Kita mga guests, white naman yung camera dito. Sa episode 4, natay guest, di ba? The one and only for dalawa sila. Dalawa. So we have Sir James and Ma'am Easy, right? Sa episode 4. Fred!
Yes, Fred.
And then, gawin po ito siya ma-privilege kay ang podcast, Char, na himong media partner. Oh my gosh, like siya kakilig. Ano guys, si Sir James, si Ma'am Easy is back. Braver, wiser. The Bookfest, guys. Bookfest gang. Itawag natin sa pangalang. Nakpakan sa siguro na to, guys, no? Please help me welcome the Bookfest organizers. Salamat kayo. Salamat sa participation. Okay na Ma'am Karen. Okay, Sir James. Yeah. Okay. Ma'am Angel. Okay, guys. So, karon no, before that. Dan. Kanang kuan guys, before to mag-start no, nagitay ako mga estudyante mo ning ginakahadokan na part, pero ano gini siya. This is live. Sa kapang ginaingon mula by rataani, so dita mag-standby. So karon guys, ato siguro i-introduce ang atong self, no? Ahata connected, and the most important question of all is, what is your favorite ulam? Okay, so na ta. Layo pa ba ng Pasko, pero nga natin itawag abot mo na. Ikaw, please do the honor, sir. Kisa ang una na to. Kisa ang una.
Okay. Sige mo na si... Wala gi power sa amin.
Like it, Angel from Zoe. Favorite Scene Productions. Favorite Pula, Lechaho.
Stop.
Amazing. Kaya pala. So, nagtag naman siya. Event, lechon. Maraming event, maraming lechon. Okay, friend.
Wait lang, magulat sa akong na-kandere ang camera. Okay.
Sige pa, go. Sino kaya ang mabubunot? The most favorite part of all.
Si Dan. Side by side. Endo and ball.
Ay.
Dirita na Dan. Tirin lang, pagaling disclaimer niya mga lahat sa podcast.
So Dan, sa tong kisap question, favorite ulam? Yes, favorite ulam.
Okay, tayo lahat.
Pass! Kailangan.
Rice. Kailangan.
O sige, Jollibee na lang.
Wala.
Sorry!
Shout out, Jollibee.
Jollibee, baka naman. Ano naman, bida-bida.
Kung gusto siya, pita-pita ba yan?
Okay,
Yes.
move on na.
Si Danki, namu tayo first 2 questions before the favorite ulam.
Ay,
Saan ka ako connected?
Very connected.
Sa Bukidnon Business Community.
Wow.
Sa?
So, mas gabong palakpakan, Dan. Thank you so
Share
much.
magbuhat sa disakwan. Next, we have...
Ma'am Karen. Yes, Ma'am Karen. Ikaw na ikaw.
Doon sa demo, doon yung kamay.
Ganun ka special.
Special chat.
Iba dito.
Hi, in person. Ay, may nagkawa. Hindi na ko, 20 minutes eh.
Malahi pa yung atong persona sa camera. Hi, Karen Hapok Lakalin here. Asa mo ko connected? Uy,
Nakalami yun.
No, for today, so I'll be wearing my full-on DEFCON Bukidnon hat today, but I'm also part of the ICT Region 10. Paboritong ulam, paksiw. Paksiw, malitsad. Because I believe in sustainability.
Kaya pala friends kayo. Kaya nandito sa the same table. Ritual paso. Okay. Ma'am, okay mga kaibigan, nandito po ang proof natin. Ma'am Lai.
Hi guys.
Hello. Demure pa din siya.
Hello everyone. I'm Clarice Mariel Tabamo. You can call me Glai. And I'm connected at Central Manila University. And just like Ate Karen, I'm also from DevCon Bukidnon. Yes, well, favorite ulam? Agabong manok because I'm bawal with pork.
In case na nag-adobo.
Makes sense, no? Bawal ang pork. Naka-remember na ko sa airplane ba? Tulog-tulog ka. Nakadaunay kag beef or chicken. Nonsense siya, guys. Sige pa ka. Meron sa note.
Pwede.
Ay, ako na.
Ito. Sir James, ikaw na, sir.
Ito.
Okay, go.
Hello. James.
The connection?
Ano na lang yun? Today, ato ka nature farming day para kasama yung bilaki.
Okay, go.
Yan. Tapos favorite ulam, din? Adobo pero pork. Sorry.
Oh my God. Okay lang ba, Ma'am Glay? Meron tayong taan na dito.
Separate lang natin yung ulam. Yo, next.
And of course, mga kaibigan, the last but not the least, the queen of surgeons of Hapugan Nature Park.
Kasabi.
Ma'am Easy.
Ay,
Sorry, kay Mike.
You saw me already. From the Bukidnon Business Community, my favorite ulam is tinigan.
Laport.
Ayun sila ka, may shrimp, may pork.
Kaya pala mag-asawa sila. The design is very the same. Okay guys, masalamat kayo sa mga introduction. 1 hour na daw ang introduction.
Thank you for watching part 1.
So friend, natin mga gipambuhat the questions diri no ni Dagul. Shout out sa mo ang director. Sorry. Wait, transparent kita dali mo. Okay.
It's a safe space.
Thank you so much for that very encouraging.
Online public
Guys, ang kini siya nga question is for everyone since this is still an introduction. So, naging siya piling na ko kay 1 hour na nabuha ko ganit. Wow.
Podcast rin na ulit.
Can you tell us your role during Bookfest? How did you first hear about Bookfest and what made you say yes to volunteering? Thank you so much, candidate number 1. So, una sir James, sir. Kaya ikaw magandang... Ikaw magandang head of the... The one and only, the founder, Sir James. Welcome, Sir James.
Ay, seryoso pala.
Oo.
Hello.
Ngayon ko lang talaga nakita. Siya. The spirit of long easy.
Ayun.
Kaya
Kaya yan, sir.
Hindi mo na kaya mo yan.
Your role, so, paano ko i-define siya? Ayun, helping everyone out. So, yun lang siya role ko.
Sabi ni Pao, Sir James, do kaya mo yan, sir.
Sige.
Chill lang dati ng water, no? Pero we are so appreciative of the introduction. Go, Sir James.
Ayun. So, I am, or during Book Fest, pinapat na sa akin yung mic.
This one or this one? Eto ba or ito? Eto. Sige, go. Sorry, Direk. Yes, Sir James.
So, yun, during Book Fest, I was one of the event organizers.
Ayun. Sabi nila, Sir James, kayo daw po ang founder ng Bukidnon. Totoo po ba ito? Anong kasi naman yan? Joke.
Ayun, so siya talaga ako sa totoong buhay.
Hindi ko talaga alam na siya pala si Sir James.
Pero yun, yan. Hindi ko na pala siya i-define. Hindi, ano yung second question? Okay, yung tapos, di ba?
Para hindi siya applicable ang how did you first hear about Book Fest? Kasi kayo naman. The brain behind.
Online?
Okay, that's a very nice answer. What made you say yes to volunteering?
Myself. So,
makes sense.
Salamat kay Sir James. No, I really appreciate the transparency. Transparency is the key to success. So next po, Ma'am Karen. Karen, Iksuon.
Iksuon ko ka?
Yes.
Lumami na pala aming kapatid.
Kapatid.
So my role in Bookfest, it's also multilateral. So yeah, it's difficult to define just because I also kind of represent the volunteer organization, DevCon Bukidnon. Also, it also cuts across my role in the ICT industry development. Tapos,
We're hilakay, ha?
so good. No, so I remember one time, so diba, Bukidnon Business Summit 1, so I still remember that, okay, well, what will be our role there? I was full on wearing DevCon at that time because I was no longer with the agency I was working for with Irish and Lap. Hey. Baka naman natin natin supports. So it cuts across many areas, but ultimately, again, I remember the moment we were entering Cinema 5 during Bookfest 1, and then we were working on the wires, how to make the internet work. And it was then that it clicked bitaw, okay, this is an event that we really want to support. Okay. Prior to Bookfest, Book DevCon, Guy and I have been doing ecosystem development stuff, and even James and Izzy, we've been doing work together on the Startup Weekend Bukidnon, and even I remember just recently that I did the only session pala of the Go Digital ASEAN during pandemic that was done in person was the one we did at Book Faith. Yes, it's the only one for the whole country. Goosebumps. Yes, these pictures was uploaded in Google Drive. It was
6 seconds.
Successfully implemented.
It was used, you created a parang SDK. So it was used by the Asia Foundation for the parang ASEAN report ng Go Digital ASEAN. So yun yung parang US tumod. But that's one of the things that we did together. Parang subconsciously building towards the now Bookfest, which is very happy but very fulfilling.
Wow. Thank you for that very nice answer, candidate number 2. Yes, Ma'am Angel. Yes.
Hi. Yeah, I'm Angel. The other boys, about what's that? Schedule, mitigation person, and then assistant ni naman si Sir James.
Ito ka, wala assistant.
Assistant. And then, gusto pa akong video. Tapos, dahil what made me say yes, dili ka tatanda ni Sir James. Kami lang. Say, yes, good ka na iya. So that's my yes, good ka. Pero, aside from it, Book Fest Banggod was something that you really wanted to do since before. Since gigo na nila ang vision goals, core values, stuff.
This is defense.
Sa Book Fest, we really said yes from the working lahat. So, what are them?
Salamat kay Ma'am no sa clarification o sa mga paglinaw. Dan. Dan?
Dan.
Source of truth.
Sabi yung social role niya.
What do you mean by source of truth?
Nasa ito ng data, nasa
Siya ang tinuod nga ko at kamatuguran.
Kaya mo yan, Dan. Go, Dan.
Role na by Ma'am Karen, single source of truth. Ako yung, Tagalog ba?
It depends on you.
So, nasa ako atanan information and ako hindi ka talaga information. Ato.
Mana kita mo ba?
Dilugar naman ang
Guys, ito yung focus naman yung design ni Dan.
Dadaan kasi
Nang dahil dyan, Ma'am Gla, ikaw na sunod.
Ako na?
Yes.
Ako na to? Alright, okay. So, sawang-tawa.
Di pa kaya kaya ninyo.
Dugay ang tawa nakita, guys.
You know, siguro for the role, just like Ate Karen, I wore different hats. So for Book Fest siguro, since it's a collaborative event, 3 organizations working together. So as one of the people who's leading DevCon Bukidnon, I am overseeing things like in the part of DevCon, like making sure that our volunteers are doing the tasks that were assigned to them, and also checking if everything is on track. Dito ako si Sir Zor kay ako may pinakakulit. Yeah, that's like that. And what made me say yes, just like Ate Karen said a while ago, why not?
Sinahan ko answer.
Why not? Bitaw. So, ever since I was a student kasi, I'm very fond of volunteering for the community. And then, this is from the very start, from Bukidnon Business Summit 1. The from Bukidnon has been there supporting I'd like to say, the movement. Since we are 3 different organizations, but with the same mission, same goals, same vision, same goals.
Same vibe. Same vibe.
So I'd like to say that we found our tribe. Na same mission ng God. Nganong maglahid nahi madagimsament. right?
I like that.
So why not collaborate, right? That's why we said yes. Dapat Bukidnon will always say yes for the good of the community. That's our mayor.
Salamat kay guys. Sa sunod nga eleksyon, di na to kalimutan. Thank you kayo, Ma'am Glay. And of course, Ma'am Easy.
Not the first choice. Joke. Friendly neighborhood background person. I would say that shoulder angel / devil EJ. So whatever he's doing, I'm doing, just not in public. So okay na.
Salamat kayo, Ma'am Easy, sa pag-check ka nga na ba ko'y choice. Sir James, wala gid siya ipatamaan na to. Wala, uy, di ba wala man? Wala, Jod. So, at least no, ang atong audience karon kinakabalo na gid sila ang kanya-kanya mga role. Okay, this is really a post
Event.
Post episode sa Bookfest. So, kay...
Hindi na pangatanan, parte ba?
Ay,
Excuse me pa.
sorry, si friend. Oh, ikaw din, friend.
Hello. Okay lang, man.
Kaya Wilfred.
Ano na, what siguro what made us say yes sa fest, looking back last year,
Ibutang sa imong role. What's your role?
akong role kay, nasa DevCon, di tabang, siya.
Humility?
Yes. At saan ka magstorya o ikaw?
Ikaw.
Ano, kaliman mo?
Oh, sige, go.
Ako lang storya, ilam sa
Sige, go.
Ito, help in any way I can. Kana siguro siya. Siguro, and part sa, siguro sa strength mo na ako is sa design. So dito, one of the, Pero, siguro ang gusto na ako highlight kay what made us say yes. And sometimes kay, those kind of moments nga unexpected kay, mutong masya ka kay mo, i-cherish ni mo ba? Kay unexpected ba ang partnership in a way last year? Kay sa part sa mga sa DevCon kay, if I remember, ang gingon ni Ma'am Glay dati is, syempre kay magpailaila po ng DevCon, bahalang unsa! Asa natin mga nag-chat ng pan karon. Pero ang point is, kay syempre, kasi gusto mo partner, as long as kaya na mo tagugan kay sa Techman ng DevCon yun, then go. So, na mga kuan nga nag-paragliding, paragliding, hapit labanggan si Pao. Yes, ang gano'n. While gaga, meeting me sa DevCon kids, ang background kaya may isa na without. But it was fun. Those are the moments siguro ako makikita na, if you really find your tribe, you really find your tribe. Kaya mo click lang gila. Like so, kaya talaga, and looking back, and karon yun, dako siya nga event, pero mas siya, like, mas better, and then mas yung band sa grupo, mas nailam ko na mo, ang matag-usapod nga. We are more than just kanang sa job nga nabitaw. Take it from me! Wala to, napod.
Thank you kay friend. Thank you kay sa mga pag-answer nga hapit mo ta kanalimtan. Ug salamat sa pagpasaylo. Now let's proceed. Kinsa ka hang next nga mo answer ani ang question. Sa ako sang basahan si Ma'am Glay. Ma'am Glay. So Ma'am Glay, ang question for you is before Bookfest, what were your expectations as a volunteer?
Expectations?
Yes.
Expectations.
We score.
Yes, one piece.
Scoring me? Wala ka pressure mo.
Okay, ano pa kay Zoom?
1 point sigla. Galingan niyo pag-answer, guys. Graded pala to.
Ma'am Glay, 1.
Ano naman
Kaya tayo siya man.
Okay. For expectation siguro, through many challenges since from a one-day event last year, and then this year, 7 days. Wow. So, ganun ka punta si Sir James. Ganun ka si Sir James. And then,
Sir James.
we said, yes na, last year pa. So, wala na kaming choice. Okay, sabi 7 days, okay.
Parang easy manood dito.
Easy yun, diba? So, siguro many challenges just because in the 7-day event and many moving parts, and then many events, many people to handle. Wala naman mic natin, bakit pa natin walang mic?
Move forward, di ba?
Ayaw nila masalita ako.
Go Mang Lai. Kaya mo yan ng live.
Okay, wala doon eh. Sakto yun.
Sa bakang bata.
Alright. Okay lang na eh.
Go.
Okay. So, yun na nga. Many moving parts, many events, and then many people to handle, many volunteers to handle, to organize. So, yung expectation ko talaga, there are many challenges, but above all, I know that we will rise from all those challenges.
Wow.
With flying colors.
Wow.
Because I know the team is really, with a burning spirit to help the community. And we all have that one burning passion for the community that even if challenges arise, we know that we trust each other. We know that everyone is working and doing their best in the area that they are assigned to. So, yun na, the full trust for the team, yun yung what kept us going. And then yun yung expectations ko na even though may mga challenges, we would really rise up from and overcome everything because we are a team with or of passion.
Amen, amen. Amen.
Thank you very much, Kintasan sa Nuwan.
Nakaka-ready nun.
Lagi, ang yan ako sa ready. Na hindi pa ready. So, dahil dyan, ang next mag-answer, Sir James. Wala gina ko na siya gituyo, sir. Tabad ta, wala ni power. Sir James, the question for you is, Char, how did the actual experience compare to what you imagined?
Ito, tama talaga to. Tama talaga to. In context, siya gusto niyan.
So, yun. So, yes, yun. For honor. So, we started off last year nga with 1 day and then, yun, naging 7 days with a lot more events and for expectations, I was really focused when we were thinking of the concepts, the whole background, the initiative of the events. What I was imagining or nakafocus ako was really on, okay, how can we help the most people we can? For in terms of why do a bazaar? It's to help yung income of the MSMEs, especially during a time na walang ibang bazaars or major activities. So we're happy with that and focus on how can we help people learn new things. So in terms of expectations and then output, like what everyone said, because of everyone's passion and working together, it really did come out more than I expected. I was so happy with feedback, with mga comments of people who were able to attend. It was not perfect. We're still learning. We're still growing. And dami pang things that we were happy na, nakita ko ito yung mga naging challenge this year with a bigger, or with a different type of event. Pero I'm happy that my expectation was to learn and to grow from every challenge, every thing that didn't work out as perfectly, ganon. So for me, yun nga, it exceeded my expectations in terms of how really blessed we were, that the Lord is really fortunate, even with the weather itself. Sobrang fortunate namin weather pa lang na it was not, hindi inclement yung weather the whole week. So many people attended, or so many people were able to also enjoy all the different brands and people present. Just.
Thank you kayo, Sir James. Basta ba sigaw mong palakpakan? Basta ba sigaw mong palakpakan? Dahil dyan, hindi natin sila Dan. Yes, Dan. Thank you so much, Dan, for your participation. Question. This is adlib muna bago ang question.
Okay. Nalak kasi ang phone.
Yes. Dan, was there a moment that completely surprised you during the event?
That was a surprise.
Surprise lang. May wait na ha? Completely surprised.
Yes.
In a good way lang siguro, Dan. Para din.
Ano, in a bad way?
Hindi, gonna learning or... Yo, Dan.
Alam ka namin, Dad.
Laiyak na yan?
Sige. Honest na lang ha?
Raise yourself.
Medyo na-surprise ko nga kulang yapon ang preparation. Behind the scenes daw. Kay medyo na-eye things na we should have been able to do. Pero something went wrong internally and then wala kayo na turn out. And then ang akong very comment is we could have avoided it. Char, di feedback na na.
Hi, sa Los.
Pero overall, as a first time, inato nga type of event. Inato ka na ko nga event. Okay naman siya. Ano ba?
Harsha.
Wala, murag expectation versus reality lang siya sa ako.
Salamat kay Dan, no? Hinautot na wala na nga surprise. Wala mga tao diri sa iyang na-surprise nga moment. So, guys, ang next kay si Ma'am Easy. Ma'am Easy, this question is for you. What was your most unforgettable or highlight moment at Bookfest and why?
Oh! Miss Universe mo kayo ba?
Going to sleep on the last day. Most unforgettable.
Dan, kumana ka, dancer. Dan, dancer, saba.
Hindi na kaya mo yan.
I don't know if I can pick one instance. I think the entire week to me was really unforgettable for reasons like dance, where things could have been done better, their lessons for the future, and reasons like Kiss, na, they were inspiring and motivating, and we got a lot of feedback from people who were able to learn, to enjoy themselves, to grow as businesses. So the entire experience itself is unforgettable in a sense where all of us grew together. Mm-hmm. And personally, for me, it was also a growing experience where, although I have worked in a place where there are a lot of moving parts, this scale of event where all of the moving parts were important, sometimes you prioritize some things over others. For this event, all of them were important to the sense that they were important to different audiences of people. So it was unforgettable in a sense where when you get into the mindset of helping more than one audience, you can't just sit back and say, oh, I'm done for today. You go home and then you work some more so that you can go in early and work some more. Yes. So I think it was unforgettable for all of us. Sweet. Thank you, Your Honor.
Okay, noted, Council. Noted, Council. Guys, ang next po, salamat kay Ma'am Easy. No? Heartfelt, na-feel ko talaga na everything or every word that comes from your mouth is really heartfelt.
Laban ko kay Dan.
From sa heart. Go sa heart shit.
Yes.
Favorite na rin yung si Dan. Bakit?
Siya nga, good na.
Okay, Ma'am Angel, it's your time.
Salamat, Your Honor.
Yes, Ma'am Angel, Your Honor. On the flip side, what was the most challenging part of volunteering? How did you deal with it?
Ako ito ba, guys? The planning is... it's easy. The execution is very hard.
6 months worth of answers.
As in,
Sorry, Paolo.
That's the question.
Grabe na siya ba? What was the most challenging part of volunteering and how did you deal with it?
Friend, pwede ka magkuhan niya. Diri lang ka mo na eh.
Narang ko na microphone, oh.
Pwede makamana ko. Okay. Gana ko eh.
Yan, na lang na ako microphone. Sige, go.
Volunteerism is really my part.
Wow.
But then when you always go to the realities of life, especially when you're dealing with so much in hand, they get you plates, you deserve your business, your family, your friends, yourself, your other stuff.
Your husband. Your husband. Naratay, bisyo.
Nakaprepare na
Mag-amin sa
Shout out sa husband.
My husband. Not specifically yun siguro sa book fest, pero in all aspects of volunteerism, you will always have a sacrificial just for you to attain one thing. And then siguro kami sa book fest yun, it humbled me because there are so many things I have learned. And with those learning, bigyan po kayo siya challenges in between for you to be able to learn that one, grasp the moment, but you don't have a choice but to move forward for the sake of other people and for the sake of the event to be successful. Good. You have to lose yourself sometimes because that's the essence of volunteerism. You don't have to think of yourself in most of the time. Just for you to be there in your most vulnerable moment, even though you have your personal challenges, but then you have to step up. Kaya di naman ka, unlike na dada.
Exactly.
Da.
Talang tao good na pinagdadaan.
Yeah.
Show the life story.
With equal parts of the distribution of work, skip pa o para sa inyo, okay, kaya siya nga tao, ay, mas gamay naman yung pinag mo kasi ako, no. That person might have that bigger feeling of sacrifice, and all you just have to do is be present for everyone to team up and for the success of the event. We'll get to. Thank you.
Grabe naman kayo mga pang-Miss Universe. Ang mga sagutan po natin mga kaibigan ay the design is very pang Miss Universe. And of course, salamat kaya to Ma'am Angel. And Igsoon. Ready na ba? Ready na ba? Was there a point where you felt tired or frustrated?
Was there a point na wala ka na feel tired?
And I follow up to Igsoon. What kept you going?
Sanitation.
Supportive.
Sabi ko, o kung may nagsulat din, hila ko nagpas na ng mga tumpag mga, pero, tama ko, corrections ko, was there a time that he didn't feel tired?
General rule, tired.
Okay.
Normally, yeah, tired.
So if you're not tired, you're not leadering. So leadering.
Okay. People from last year's one day, one room event to this year's 7 days,
3 floors.
3 floors, multiple venues, and it ends up with a concert. So from Ingress na okay, tulog, anak, it went all through the week. Oh.
Consistent mo ha?
Consistency is the key. But here's the thing. It's also very, very humbling experience because naka-organize mo pa yung event, blah, 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 but this one is different because it doesn't just hit home. It is home.
Oh.
Diba? So,
bakit sa ito, Shabi?
That's microphone.
Pwede bang standing ovation?
This is the unexpected bond na kanang So, tanang events siya mong organize. Kani siya, collectively, pagpapang kumustalan ba? Si Easy ka, paano na siya sa, now na mo, kaya imagination ba ka na dapat natin, you could have done better. By one time, we're frustrated na siya ko, and then si Easy ka, calm down. Ako ka na ka-story ka, di ba? Pero, more ito pa na, calm down, we could have done, for first timers, this one was, so, kabalik iso bang, wala kong kailangan madungog, rasta kay, kami nag-yun, hindi ka confetti yung nag-explosive. Kaya confetti mo, kaya sunod daw. Pero, when you get home, at dawn, you get home, pag-alarm sa imong alarm, usay mo unat pag-mata sa imong alarm.
So, mata pa ka, nag-alarm na.
Sakto. And then, at the back of the facade that you saw in Bookfest was real people having real
Emotions.
It's not like
Sorry.
These are real people facing challenges in life, and then, but still, do volunteerism. So, it's amazing, and it's such a blessing to see people doing this, for the good of the community, for the sake of the greater good, and for the good of the future, for the betterment of our Governor Alpha.
Sorry.
After this, you were banner.
See you sa 2020. Pero collectively lang good. If one business thrives, it has a ripple effect to the community.
Exactly.
It's people to see other people who share the same values. There's a big blue ocean up there. Competition is okay. And nice, similar talents, similar businesses, similar contribution, but it's done in such a way that it's not competition by means of, iroko ng isa, and it's uplifting each other.
Exactly.
Because, again, it's such a big blue ocean. And if one business thrives, it has a ripple effect. You may create jobs. Creates jobs. And whenever you see people who are doing things that they like to do each day, the way they face other people is it makes them kinder, for one. Diba?
Exactly.
Because they like what they do. And kanang niche god ya. Kung ako ka nang ganahan sa iyang ginabuhat, mas dali sa iya i-navigate ang iyang life, mas dali sa iya mag-imagine o kanang pag-improve sa society, ingana. Kay ganahan mo sa iyang ginabuhat. So, mata siya ang tubag sa what kept me going. Kay kanang Di ko na kaingon, Okay, life is fleeting. Yan na. And then, atong mga next generation, mga bata. Kung ang byproduct, sa atong pag-volunteer, is to make it a better, or, hindi man sayang nga ito spoon feed sa ilaha, kay, with ila kaingon sa challenges in the future, right? But at least, if they have the option to choose a path where they can thrive, and they can thrive in the sense that they are doing things that they like to do.
Yeah.
If that is a byproduct of volunteerism, I would do it over and over and over again.
Done.
Okay. Ang mayor sa syudad. Sa Valencia. Joke lang.
Kaya na. Talagin. Masarap. Kaya mukha na naman.